Hi everyone, here to give you a little tour update for Flip Out. Let's go see what we've done. You walk in, you have new floors, nice vinyl, dog resistant, kid resistant, and we got some new furniture. You still get the lovely view out to the ocean, plenty of seating and comfort. Dining room, got a little refresh. Again, you can still see the beautiful ocean view, a lighter paint color, and a little spruce up in the kitchen with a new tile backsplash. Nice deep sink and new quartz countertops. We also put in an ice maker so you can fill up your coolers, and a brand new French door refrigerator that is counter depth, so you have plenty of room, but you also have a refrigerator downstairs now, which you didn't have before. Walking down the hall, we have some art on the wall. We have the bunk room with the 3 twin beds. It has a TV and a place for kids to hang up their backpacks or their towels. And we go into the bathroom. Bathroom didn't get much of a change except for a new shower curtain and a new paint color, which I think looks really nice. And if we go back in here, hi, Flip Out. Go back in here to the queen size bedroom. We got a nice fresh coat of paint. Still have a really nice view out to the pool from back here. And let me show you the king bedroom. We didn't make many changes downstairs, so I'm just going to do a video of the upstairs today. But here is the king bedroom. We got a full-length mirror in here now. The turtle dresser came in here, and gigantic king-size bed. So that's it. That's the new and improved Flip Out. I hope all of our guests enjoy their stay this summer. Thanks.